Good morning and welcome to our first Fantasy on Friday unboxing and review video. Today we'll be looking at the Wargames Atlantic Landsknecht Ogres. Now these are mainly their classic fantasy range, but also have a role in their Deathfields sci-fi range, as we'll soon see. Quick view of the back of the box, stating what I've just said about Deathfields. And now let's see what goodies we get. As these are larger models, we actually get 2 different sprues and 3 of each of those sprues. So let's take a better look at the individual sprues. The main body sprue, for want of a better phrase, contains the bodies in multiple parts for the ogres themselves. As you can see, we get the back straps for the 3 breastplates, for which we get a fluted breastplate, a standard breastplate, and a breastplate with a male collar. The male collar is obviously designed to go with this body, which has the male collar attached. The other 2 are pretty open for both bodies, the remaining bodies. Also on this sprue we have the 2 of the ogre's hand cannon, quite literally hand cannon, and a number of the sci-fi Deathfields weapons. We get a number of heads. Some, such as the ones with a beret, are aimed specifically for the Deathfields, while the other heads are suitable for Deathfields and the fantasy range. We also get a 2-handed sword and a large halberd type weapon. We also get various odd pieces, such as on this sprue we get a smaller weapon, a grenade, and spent bullet cases. Now with the weapon sprue we get even more goodies. Again, we get heads that are a little more Deathfields orientated, with a strong American Marine Corps vibe, and even the Screaming Eagles Mohawk, although they were paras, not Marines. Sorry for everybody involved. We get a Deathfields shotgun, another 2-handed, well, a couple of 2-handed swords, 2 more halberd types, another hand cannon, and some offhand weapons, namely daggers, although obviously these are sword size, and a pistol. We get a brace of pistols and some teleberet hats and feathers to go with them, as well as a few pouches. I'll be using these as unit fillers in my The Old World and 3rd edition Warhammer games. They'll be going with my Empire army as unit fillers with my Landsknecht pikemen. But I will also be building a unit of 3 using the Deathfield parts to go with my Imperial Guard armies. Hope this is of use. If you look below in the description, if you wish to buy any of these direct from Wargames Atlantic, you will find my affiliate link. Thank you.
In the cosmos, and if so, just what is it that we are tapping into? 2004, Tuscany, Italy. After years of studying the nature of electromagnetic and gravitational fields, celebrated futurist and Nobel Prize nominee Dr. Erwin Laszlo announces that he has found evidence of the A, or Akashic field.
Dr. Laszlo took work